It is time to pick up the pomp and the circumstance. College graduations are upon us now, with high school graduations not too far behind. And for these celebrations of achievement, there's one island tradition that has sort of infused itself into our American culture. That is the giving and wearing of a Hawaiian lei. It's a gift you can easily make, so layer them on and love up your graduate. Today we're going to show you how to do a variation of the cultural tradition and make a braided ribbon lei for your graduate-to-be. Wendy Benson has been learning the ropes so she can teach all of us. It's great to have you today. These are amazing. And really quickly, give us a little context. What does the lei symbolize?
The lei symbolizes love, honor, and moving on to the next phase of life.
Yes. All things to celebrate,
yes.
And you can do it with this token gift. We're honing in on the ribbon lei today, which you say is pretty simple to do.
Yes, it is. You can do it out of your home, and it's
easy to pull off.
Yeah.
For the DIYer, I'm looking at the colors. You can find ribbon in all of the school colors easily. It's very accessible. Describe what you've done over here, Wendy.
So I've taken school colors, and just weaved them in and out, and then you can either add an add-on, either grad ribbon. You can add on an emblem that has graduate.
Cute.
You can wear them on the side like this,
yes.
Or different ways you can do them. You can also do add-ons.
I like how you've customized them to the school, not just with the colors, but as you said, with the additional ribbons and the little emblems, the tokens that you've put on top. I know ribbon is your thing. You like to work and play with ribbon, and this is a fun use of that medium. So how much ribbon do we need, and is there a type of ribbon that works better for this project?
So you need 6 yards of each ribbon.
Each color?
Each color.
Okay.
You need 2 colors. I used double satin, because I find like it's easier to work with.
Yeah.
And I used an inch.
An inch width.
Yep.
Okay. How do we do this?
So you are going to take this, and you're going to hold your black right here.
Okay.
And make a loop with your maroon. And push it through.
So loop and fold. Can I give this a try?
Yes.
So we're gonna loop here.
Yeah.
And then just slide it through, and you've left just the strand kind of unrolled on the table, on the work table, right? Like so?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. There you go.
Okay, then what?
And then you're going to pull your black and tighten it.
Okay.
And now loop the black through.
Loop it again. Oh, this would be kind of a soothing project. Is soothing the right word? I don't know, kind of mindless, and just, you could just go back and forth.
Definitely.
Okay. And then tighten.
And then tighten with your maroon.
I gotcha. And you keep going from there?
Yep. And you just keep going. Yes. Okay. All the way till you have about 6 inches left of the ribbon.
Okay. Can I back us up a bit? How did you start it?
So you start, I'm going to show you right here. You will grab your 2 ribbons, and you have 6 inches.
I think we're representing Bonneville Lakers right here. I'm trying to remember my mascots and my high school colors.
Okay, and you'll make 2 loops.
Yeah.
And then you'll just start weaving.
Oh, just at the very beginning?
Yep, very beginning.
Okay.
Tighten, and then take your yellow, run it through.
And it's just a single strand?
Single strand.
Okay.
And you are just going to keep doing that all the way through till you go through your 6 yards of ribbon.
You've trimmed your tails here and just knotted it off?
And just knot it off,
Okay, and it loops all the way around, and then you tie together?
Yep.
Easy enough. At what point are you adding the extras you talked about?
Once I tied it off, I have just added, you can do graduation ribbon. You also can order ribbon that has your high school name on, Olympus.
Like custom personalized ribbon.
Custom. Yep.
Oh, I like
Viewmont, U of U, BYU.
Yeah.
You can order all those and weave them into your ribbon sets.
Can we take a look at this one too? Because you've done the tri-play right here. Is this just paper?
This is just paper.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that?
And then I just took a little cupcake stand that you put in a cupcake.
Oh yeah.
And tied it on.
Like a pick, like a food pick.
A pick.
Oh, you're so clever. That's fantastic. And then down here, just paper as well.
Yes.
Okay, I like it. I like it. Well, thank you so much. An easy ribbon weave, kind of a variation on the more traditional Hawaiian lei that we see, but a great way to honor your graduate with so many ceremonies and celebrations coming up. Thank you so much. Where can we see more of your work, Wendy?
Utah Spool House, and you can I have a website and an Instagram. You can follow me on my Instagram or DM me, and you can order your school colors or come get your ribbon.
Ribbon's your thing. You do pretty things with those ribbons. We're grateful to you for sharing the idea.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.